Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Reaper Bones mini. This time it is Cooper, who is another of the Townsfolk from the Bones 4 Kickstarter set. I'm pretty sure you can get him in metal as well. He's just called Townsfolk Cooper. He's been primed in German Panzer Grey, and I'm starting off with Dead Flesh by Vallejo for doing his shirt and his hood. I do forget to actually do the sleeves when I'm doing this, but I add them in afterwards once I realise and before I add the next colour. So in the next colour you'll notice they're already done. The next colour is Charred Brown by Vallejo for his boots, belt and the small pouch on his waist. Now I'll move on to Leather Brown for the remaining clothing. Next up is the wood parts using Army Painter's Oak Brown. With the wood now dry, I started on the skin using Elf Skin Tone by Vallejo. I then moved on to the only metallic, which is gunmetal, for the banding on the barrel and for the smaller details on the belt and the pouch. Now onto the eyes, started with matte white. The last colour before the washes is matte black for his pupils and the base. Moving on to the washes, I start with strong tone for all of the wood and the bottom half of his clothing. Next up is light tone for the top half of his clothing, using a different shade of leather brown. With this just adds that different color, and they come out completely different in the end because strong tone stains so dark, whereas light tone is a bit more, well, light, and it's got a bit of red in it. The final wash for all of the skin is flesh wash. And that will be it for Cooper. Another NPC ready to put a bit more life into the towns and make them feel actually lived in instead of just a battlefield. And like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.